Welcome back. You already learned how to write your article in the previous chapter. In this tutorial, you will learn where to syndicate your articles. Content syndication has become a popular method in advertising content as well as generating traffic. Content syndication works by promoting content, such as blog posts, articles, and other similar types of content. There are various ways content syndication networks market a specific content. Some may only show the URL or the source of the content. Sometimes there will be images and other times only text. There are various content syndication platforms for you to choose from. However, for beginners, I recommend you stick to these 5 options. 1. Outbrain. 2. Zemanta. 3. Simple Reach. 4. Arc. 5. Taboola. First up is Outbrain. Outbrain is one of the content syndication network leaders. They provide great cost per click or cost per visitor for users. Usually, their cost per click is around 25 cents to 50 cents, which is quite good as compared to other networks. The second syndication network is Zemanta. Zemanta is similar to Outbrain. Your articles will be syndicated across a network of thousands of publishers, which includes popular news sites and blogs. Zemanta does all the work for you. After submitting your content, Zemanta works by publishing your content to your targeted audience. The best thing is, you have complete control of the images as well as the title for your articles. Zemanta refers domains that will refer traffic to your blog. This will not really optimize your SEO. Instead, they will send traffic to your site. The third content syndication network is Simple Reach. Simple Reach is a tool which goes through a blog's content and promotes content that is most likely to succeed through social media. Simple Reach scans through the most popular posts on the most popular social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit, where they discover the most popular content that is most likely to be shared. The fourth network is Arc. Arc is a platform where you can send your content across various channels, which is similar to a press release. With Arc, your content will be disseminated across sites, social media platforms, blogs, and other sites. Arc works by sharing and publishing your content on other sites with links back to the original source, no follow links. But you need to bear in mind that Arc does not link back to SEO. It prioritizes in generating interest towards your brand through content distribution, as well as sending traffic back to your blog. The fifth network is Taboola. Taboola is a content syndication network similar to Outbrain and Zemanta. It has a variety of publishers. The content that they often publish includes blog posts, videos, and other branded content to publishers. The links they provide will lead the audience back to the original source of content. Taboola will determine which sites serve your content best. Over time, these selected sites is where you will get the best engagement. How to start syndicating your articles. There are 3 simple steps to start syndicating your articles. 1. Select the content to promote. 2. Conduct a test. 3. Create content based on the results. The first step is to select the post that you want to promote. Always remember that you are competing against posts which are similar with yours. Therefore, you need to come up with a title that will attract your audience. The second step is to conduct a test. This can be done by split testing your posts. Observe which post and titles get the best response. Last but not least, creating your content based on your test results. You can use your split test results to guide you through the content, which you should be creating. This way, you would not be wasting your resources as you know that the content you syndicate has an audience where you can inevitably generate traffic to your site.